Hello everybody, I am presenting a brief description on prompt engineering. Why prompt engineering necessary? Prompt engineering helps guide AI models to provide accurate and relevant and useful responses. It optimizes inputs to unlock better performance without changing the model itself. What are the prompts? In AI, especially with large language models, prompts are input instructions and cues that guide the model's response. They can range from simple sentences to complex instructions and serve to clarify what the user wants. Clear, well-structured prompts help shape the model's behavior and produce more relevant, accurate outputs. Types of prompt: neutral language prompts, human-like instructions phrased in everyday language, making interactions initiative. System prompts, predefined templates or structured instructions used to control the format or behavior of the model's output. Conditional prompts, prompts that use specific conditions or context to influence how the model responds. How does prompt engineering work? Understand the task. Clearly define what you want the model to do. Use clear language. Keep prompts simple and unambiguous. Be specific. The more detailed the prompt, the better the response. Provide examples. Showing desired outputs helps the model align with expectations. Experiment. Test different prompt styles to see what works better for the task and the model. Benefits of prompt engineering. Prompt engineering enhances the performance of large language models by guiding them to produce more accurate, consistent, and creative outputs, improve question answering, enhance factual accuracy, creative writing, helps generate engaging content like stories and poems, better machine translation, increases translation quality across languages, enhance coding support, produce more accurate and efficient code. Importance of effective prompts: enhance accuracy and relevance, guide models to produce more precise and context-aware responses, control bias and fairness, help shape outputs to be more fair and aligned with user intent, direct output behavior, influence the structure, domain, and ethical alignment of responses, achieve desired result, allow developers to steer the model toward specific goals and formats. Techniques for prompt engineering: clear and specific prompts, avoid vague language to ensure accurate and predictable responses. Task specific adaptation, tailor prompts to fit the task or domain for better contextual understanding and relevance. Balancing guidance and creativity, provide enough direction to shape output while allowing room for creativity and variation. Iterative refinement, continuously test, evaluate, and adjust prompts based on responses and user feedback. Key takeaways: purpose: prompts guide AI models to produce better, more relevant outputs. Process: iterative refinement through testing and experimentation. Benefits: enhance accuracy, creativity, and task-specific performance. Technique: clear language, specificity, example, continuous improvements. That's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.